doing a good job there. So what'd you do on initially? The old lady screaming from the house.
Defrost, man.
You put the defrost, but you got to get the door open.
The door? I just kicked it.
Start kicking it. But you put some hot water around it, right? First. Assessing the damage. Well, you need one of these actually. But before you do that, what we did was we put some hot water around the perimeter of this door to get it jarred loose. Then we started the car and put the defrost on.
Oh my God, you're worse than me.
Hold on, you got to watch out. You got to watch out for the wipers.
Yeah, well, you go slow.
Be careful.
There's the wiper right there.
I know, you got to be careful though, because it'll take the wiper with it. I got it.
Slowly.
I got mine.
And then over here. I got mine. And then over here where they spray it. Right around here, the sprayer.
Just make sure you do your own. That way, if you break it, you only have yourself to blame. So just continue. Hard to hold this camera and do this at the same time. But essentially, and you bring up a good point, you need gas. Hopefully, if you didn't get it the night before all this happened, then you go get it now. If the gas pumps are frozen over, which I wouldn't be surprised. I'll just continue on with this. Eventually, you make some headway. Whoa! Just take this out. The Northerners are sitting there laughing at us. But, you know, ice storms are notorious in Texas, actually. You know, there's a difference between snow, which happens a lot up north, and ice storms, which happen in Texas. See, there are no good drivers in ice. Right now we have about, say, an inch or two of sleet on the ground, which makes it a little bit treacherous. But what happens is when the sleet melts and then re-freezes, that's when we get a lot of problems. The first day, not much of a problem. The second day, especially if it warms up a little bit later in the day, then you may encounter some ice. And the third and fourth day, it may be even worse, because then you get patches of black ice, and that's how you see major problems happening. So you see, if you look closely here, you'll see the water underneath, which is the ice underneath melting actually from the heat that is dissipating through the hood here. So then if you just work at it just a little bit, you can take this whole piece out. But hey, and you actually, it's important to take this out, especially if you're on the road, if you're going any types of speed. This may come off and give somebody beside you a bad day. So that's how we take ice off the windshield, and this is what we do it with.